Hi friends, welcome to Crafting and Relaxing. This is Sarah, and this is a quick project share of the Bee Journal, which you have seen before if you watch my channel, but I just wanted to show you how it turned out. I think I'm done. I'm hoping to wrap it up and stop touching it as of tonight so that it can serve some quarantine time before I give it to my friend. Maybe that's weird, but I've been touching it so much and I think that's a good idea. I don't know. On the front, we have the stickles on the wings, Winka Stella on the body. The Be Happy was from the paper collection, and this is Bo Bunny Bee-utiful. This is my No Paper Left Behind paper for July. I'm running a little late. Has a doily behind it that I dyed blue. Then on the inside, I did use some of the chipboard in this album. I have one more chipboard bee I'd like to put in here somewhere, that reminds me. And I have a couple of these, and I'm going to stamp these. In fact, I'm gonna leave these out so I remember. I've been stamping, well, you'll see, bees on the back of them. And bees, borders, Be Happy, and a cluster with a bunch of thread hanging off, and some washi, and another one here with a whole bunch of fussy cut and die cuts and a doily and some thread. She actually sews a lot, so I don't know if she's gonna like the messy threads, but if she doesn't, she can just trim them right off. It would take her like a minute. Nice big pocket here. I tried not to cover up a single bee on any of the paper. We do not remember days, we remember moments. I stamped that on there and layered it on the green. Then I borrowed Andrea's Graphic 45 giant die and trimmed the end off. Well, actually, the side kick, the big kick, isn't even quite long enough to cut the end, so it works good that I wanted them a little shorter. And then I set the sewing machine to strange different stitches along the way. And I used some really fun stuff that somebody sent me in Happy Mail before. And I can't remember if it was Gigi. I don't know. I've had this for a while, and I just thought it was awesome in this journal because there's a lot of nature and flowers, more tags. I tried to give her a lot. She's not a paper crafter, so I tried to give her a lot of places to write and add, and she can do whatever she wants with it. It's all set to go. This is a tuck spot, which I don't have anything in. What's going on here? And a pocket and some fussy cut, a die cut bee, queen. This tag is dark on the back. I just started to run lean on paper. I don't have any more of this fun stuff. You're the bee's knees. There's a lot going on here. I've got chipboard. I've got a die cut layered butterfly. This is a pocket with a tag and a beehive. And then it tips out, and I've got the little, what's that honey thing called? I don't know. And this is a little tuck spot, and I just put this journaling card in it just to give interest. The recipient loves color, and she is not, you wouldn't make her anything monochromatic ever. So I just kept adding. Here I have a journaling card with a bee stamped on it. I've got a bunch of those and a really nice border. Then I have a doily that I tried to dye royal blue, and it came out like this. So I think it's great for this book. This is a pocket right here with a tag and a bunch of fussy cut and a die cut. I might want to glue those wings down. And then a pull out right here in the pocket. And this one's been dyed, so it's blue. Put that back in. And another journaling card. And this one has some washi on it. Joy, and the other side of the doily. You are beautiful. She can write on the back, and then it tucks into this doily, which is just kind of a hot mess of stuff that I think she'll like. I tried to bring in quite a bit of textiles in this journal. More bees, a lot of bees, and a lot of textiles. A different ribbon that I hadn't used, and that color is in these flowers. stripes on the back. I thought she might like that for writing on. And a punch and a bee cut, and then the pocket is lined. And then a fun shaped pocket over here with some bees. Life is sweet, more bees. This has like a knit trim on it. And I stitched it down with a green thread. And then this is a tuck. Well, I guess this is a flip. So it has the border and then it flips out, has some purple and green washi, some purple, and then this border strip, I had it and I just trimmed it short enough so it doesn't show. It's a fun surprise when you open it. And the pocket has a bunch of fussy cut stuff and a die cut and some stamps. And this tag has so many fussy cut items on it, just layered up and went crazy. Life is full of beauty, notice it. And more journaling with a washi and a bee. Some fun paper in here. This is a little surprise tuck spot when you flip over this flap. All the bees are flying out of that pocket. And this is just a small fold over pocket. Happy everything with some bees and some more journaling paper. I think she's gonna like it. I don't know, she didn't ask for it. I asked her if she had a favorite color and that was it. So we'll see. I think she's gonna like it. Hopefully she's a list maker like me, then you always need somewhere to write. Thanks so much for watching, and I'm still working on the rest of the paper collection, but I think this project is done, just a few touch-ups, and then I'll move on to the blue album. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.